How do you do Anapana meditation? Anapana meditation is a technique where you focus on the sensation of your breath and you learn more about your thoughts, feelings, and yourself that way. It's a meditation technique that was developed 2,500 years ago in India. How do you practice Anapana meditation? Step 1, set a timer. I would suggest starting with 5 minutes. Step 2, sit, whether it's cross-legged on a cushion or in a chair if that's more comfortable. Step 3 is posture. Sit up with your back straight and then relax your body. Step 4 is to start focusing on the sensation of your breath. One way to do this is to focus on your nostrils and the feeling of the air passing in and out of your nostrils. And you can ask yourself, which nostril is it going in first, the left or the right? Is the air hot or cold? Are my breaths long or short? So in this way, you just start focusing on your breath, and there's no need to count your breath. There's no need to verbalize any thoughts. It's just feeling the sensation in and out. Those are the basic steps of Anapana meditation. If this video was helpful for you and you want to see more content like this, definitely subscribe. If you have any questions about meditation or if you have learnings you want to share, definitely feel free to drop it in the comments for all of us below. And with that, happy meditating. Whoa.